Good evening, traders. This is Brian with TraderShark.com, an educational website to learn how to trade the S&P E-mini futures. Today is Wednesday, August 3rd, 2011. At the end of this daily video, stand by for a quick presentation of the Shark Attack trade and the results of the winning trade we took later on in the afternoon. The following are examples of trade setups that occur on a regular basis. We are showing 7 valid trade setups for a potential profit or loss of 0 ES ticks. I want you to note that the white results are according to the trading plan trades, and the yellow results are advanced trades that occur in the Shark Den. Some traders may or may not be taking those trades during the day. The market opened up at 1251.50. That's represented by this white dotted line here. We generally don't trade from 9:30 until 9:45, primarily a time while we'll wait to see if the bulls or the bears are going to take control. The only time we will take a trade is if we're trading towards a gap fill. As soon as we came out of the no trade zone, we had an opportunity to get long. We hit our first target, and then we got stopped out right to the tick for -2 ticks for just to watch the price action continue on in our favor towards our profit target. In this case, we had another opportunity to get short right here, hit our target 1, and then we got stopped out again, -2 ticks, again right to a tick, in order for us to see profit of our profit target hit to the downside. We then had another opportunity to get short for target 1 and target 2 for a total of 11 ES ticks. We then had a pullback to the moving average, and with that we have an opportunity to get short for a total of 13 ES ticks. Target 1 and target 2 are hit. Market continued to sell off heavy, finding support right here at our 31 Shark band. It also happened to be a monthly support level. We watched it bounce. We did not get an opportunity to get in until right here at around 10:45. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 14 ticks. We watched market busting its head up against the Globex range low and the hourly range low. Pullback, found support again at the Globex range low. Had an opportunity to get long. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 13 ES ticks. Then getting ready to go into the next no trade zone, we had an opportunity to get short, got our first target off, and then got stopped out for -2 ES ticks. Now we do have a signature trade in the trade room called a Shark Attack trade, and we did try to get long for a Shark Attack trade here, only to get a full stop out of -22 ES ticks. That can be very painful. It is to be taken by the professional traders in the room. It's more fun to watch when it's a winning trade, right? I think in this case we entered too early because the Shark Attack trade did materialize later on in the afternoon, and we will show you that. This period right here, this red zone, is called a no trade zone. It runs from 11:30 until 1:15 Eastern Standard Time. Coming out of the no trade zone at 1:15, we had an opportunity to get long for target 1 and target 2 for a total of 10 ES ticks, and then shortly thereafter we had another opportunity to enter the Shark Attack trade again, and we did hit our targets of target 1 and target 2 for a total of 22 ES ticks. So really we kind of negated ourselves. The Shark Attack trade is one of the trades that'll push our account up into positive territory. As a result, we broke even on the Shark Attack trade. Then we saw consolidation, which you'll generally see after a long run up. The market will run sideways, which is exactly what it did. Tested the longs, took their stops out before they continued on up to the opening price, found consolidation around opening price, broke through opening price to the upside, pullback, found support at opening price again. We had an opportunity to get short, hit our target 1, got stopped out for -2 ticks, and then we thought, you know, this is probably a more aggressive trade than we really should have taken, but we did have a valid trade set up. We hit our T1, did not get filled. As a result, we got a full stop out of -16 ES ticks. So it was quite a day. You know, you've got to expect these days, especially when you're trading for a living. So to learn more about these and more advanced trade setups, or to get a copy of the trading manual, please visit TraderShark.com. Thank you and have a great evening. What we have going on right now is we're breaching the Shark Attack trade 1246.75. Originally we got stopped out for a full stop out. We're now in this contract looking for an entry at 1244.75, also confirmed with an inverted head and shoulders on the 4,000 tick chart. We're looking for an upside target on this particular trade of 1250.75. We'll get out 1 tick before that. We're also going to be watching our market depth indicator. See if I can move this screen over. We have a stop loss of 8 ticks on this particular trade. One contract will yield $287.50 if we hit it. It's not going to just go in a straight line. Generally, you'll see a lot of shakeout, Buy zone is between 1244.75 and 1248.75. If anybody is in on this trade, you usually take your profit at, 2 points. 2 points and 4 points are our upside targets. Now we start to see our market depth come into play. We see a lot of sellers sitting here at 1250. We're going to go ahead and exit our trade at 1249.75. $250 is a good trade. Okay. The ultimate shark attack upside target pattern is 1250.75. Also, the inverted head and shoulders pattern is 12. Let's see where it is on here. 1251. Now again, price action does not usually move in straight lines. So do we have a pullback by $50 or $100? It's possible. We just have to know we have some upside targets there. Overhead natural resistance is 1250. So 1249.75 is a good profit target. With this kind of profit already locked in, already in that position, I'm going to move my stop up to minus 4 ticks. Does everybody understand why we moved our profit target down to 1249.75? Because we see all the sellers up here at 1250, which is natural. However, if you're holding on for a head and shoulders pattern, target 1251 is the upside target. 1250.75 was our ultimate upside target on the head and shoulders pattern earlier today. Patience is a virtue.
Order filled.
Outstanding.